Hi, I'm Karen. Good to see you here. Today is actually my routine working day. It's Monday in China. And so happened I have 3 necklaces to make and ship. So I will use this opportunity to show you how to make the beaded necklace with silver clasp. If you remember, I have a video about how to make bracelet with silver clasp. The only difference is that you see right here, I use one positioning bead to secure the bracelet, but then I will use 2 positioning beads to secure the necklace. Most of the necklaces are much heavier than the bracelet, so you have to use at least 2 positioning beads to secure your necklaces. Use 2 positioning bead and the silver S clasp. I pretty much like this kind of clasp. It's more secure than the lobster clasp. Thread in 2 positioning beads at the same time. Use a plier. Adjust the position. And the second one. Okay. Then we thread in 2 positioning beads. And we put a little bit of the stainless steel wire like this. We hide the wire inside the spacer like this. And the second one, you can adjust the positioning bead again. Make sure it is at the right position. You can use different clasp to make your styles. This one is red tiger's eye with rainbow obsidian, and this one is green Aventian quartz with black onyx. Onyx beads are mostly with heat treated. Just finished a custom made bracelet with rainbow obsidian and strong flash labradorite beads with some silver parts. Okay, I'm going to pack the shipments. This one is golden obsidian braided bracelet and red string braided bracelet with silver parts, agar wood, and a phantom quartz ring that I made, green fluorite raw stones, and lapis and lava rock half and half. I usually use the Ziploc bags to protect the clasp. If you want a custom-made jewelry, feel free to contact me at diynotion.com or at my Instagram diynotion. Drop me a note if you want a full cleanse for your healing stone piece when you make a purchase. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.